Hello and welcome back to another episode. Hi guys, back for another episode. Currently 26, I think we're on this week. So it's just went Tuesday, it's 10 to 1. Tommy and I were yesterday starting the panelling in the room, so we basically got all the walls backed up with a 9mm board directly onto the existing wall. So they're all fixed back, glued and whatnot, all solid, so that's good. We've got our top runner all scribed in. We've got our bottom runner all lifted up off the lowest point of the floor and then taken right round the whole way. Or sorry, the highest point of the floor and taken around the whole way, so we don't need to scribe that bit, and then we'll scribe the skirting down below that, so we don't need to mess about for 2 hours sitting scribing everything to the floor when it's all getting hidden and it's not required. So Tommy's in at the minute, he doesn't know I'm back, but I'm just about to head in, and he's putting the uprights on, and then we're going to get our horizontal members all sorted. I've picked up all the skirtings and whatnot, so they're all good to go. And yeah, we've basically got everything here. It's Tuesday, hopefully Alex is out tomorrow morning, and then we'll have everything wrapped up more or less by Wednesday evening, giving us Thursday to tidy up, and then on Friday we'll be making sure the rubbish is away, just tidying it, getting the job all wrapped up together. And I've also got a couple of shaker doors that I can make up for next week, so I'll maybe get them sorted as well, just to get them done, so we've got one less thing to do. So yeah, I'll take you inside and I'll show you exactly what I've been up to. That's us inside. Sorry about the lighting in here, guys. We've got one pendant on the go. So Tommy's just got all the uprights in, which are looking good, and we've just got, I think that's more or less all of them, isn't it, Tommy? Yeah. And then we've got just the corner, one here and then 2 in the corner that need to be scribed in. So yeah, it's all looking good in here. We're going to get the cross members all sorted, and then we can either start the beading, the skirting, or the facings. So we've got our pick, and yeah, all looking good. As you can see, I was spending a bit of time yesterday getting all the the mid rails in. So today it's just went Wednesday, 10 to 2. So I've been getting beads. I've been running about. I've been over in Hamilton to get beads because our usual merchant ran out and there was a wee problem with the order. So I've just went and got new beads. So it's a slightly different. It's not a different run. It's just a different manufacturer, but the same run, give or take. So I'll take you in. I'll show you exactly what we've done. So beads are all sitting cut, ready to go in. Beads are all on here. Tommy's just nailing the beads on at the minute. Alex has been out, lights are on. We're just waiting on the official wall lights, but they can get done at a later date once they arrive. Also all tidy round the pipework, and yeah, facings are all on. Full room's sort of ready to be filled and sanded. All we need to do now is get the dado rails on. So all on there, and then again all round here. So yeah, it's looking really good. We'll get the dado rail on this afternoon. I'm just cutting the last panel of beads here at the minute. I've got a wee hole. There's a ventilation system, so I've got a hole to do for the extractor. It brings air into the property, and that's us. So I'll show you once the dado rail's all been fitted. That's us just finished up on this 5-week job we were on, so I'll take you in and I'll show you everything that we've been doing throughout the whole project. There. So to start with, we panelled all the hallway, new facings throughout, inset beadings, full new door checks. We had 7 bespoke doors we made to match up with the rest of the beads, so they're all fitting nicely in there. You can see that. There we go, so there's the hall. Again, large door checks in here, and then we fully panelled everything along these walls. Alex Matheson put into wall lights, double switching from each side, got USB sockets. That door's to be replaced in the future. And then, yep, that's us. All done here, and then I'll take you into the living room and I'll show you the rest of that. That's us in the living space, so we've got all walls panelled again. Alex put wall lights right the way around. We've put in new curtain supports for the rail and whatnot, still will be filled up. Again, radiators are still to go back on the wall. All the bay window. This wall was running quite a bit, but we've managed to kind of sort it and do the best without building a whole new house within a house. So we've also got a nice media unit here. So that says we've got the power on. I'll just show you the lights, and that's everything. And you can see a nice wee soft touch door. So yeah, that's us. That's us. Been on here for 5 weeks. First week we were hitting the doors. The second week I think we were into this room panelling. Third week the hallway panelling. Fourth week was the media unit, I think, and then the fifth week was the bedroom, and that's us just finished everything. So hopefully you've enjoyed this wee video. It's been a bigger project for us than normal. Apologies there's not been so much footage on it, but hopefully you can see how busy we've been. So we'll catch you in the next video.